Ganito yan. If you're not familiar with IoT yet, syempre takot ka, baka ma-hack ka.
Yes.
So I always say, you start with monitoring. When you monitor, let's say when you monitor the temperature, pag may nag-hack dyan, hindi naman makikita mo yung temperature ay from 22 naging 50 degrees Celsius. Alam mo kalokohan yan,
Mhm.
di ba? So you will take that as a fluke. O sige, siguro na-hack ako. Kung 50 ng 50 or 45 or 30, hindi totoo yan. Sinungaling yan. Baka may nag-hack na. But then, is it dangerous? No, because it is self-healing eh.
Yep.
Susunod na instance when the sensor measures the temperature, nag-self-correct na.